Hey guys, welcome to Food Nirvana by Chef Ron. Today we will be making Pizza Hut style garlic bread. It's very simple and easy to make. I'll be making it in two ways, one in the oven and one over the stove top. So even if you don't have an oven, don't worry, you can make this cheesy Pizza Hut style garlic bread at home. Let's first check out on the ingredients required. I have taken here 10 to 12 pods of garlic, 2 medium sized onions. We will be chopping these onions, 3 to 4 green chilies and some coriander leaves. You can use parsley instead of coriander leaves. I didn't have parsley at home, so I am using coriander leaves. I have taken here about 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of high quality mozzarella cheese. You can even use processed cheese, some oregano and some chili flakes. I am using some store-bought bread here. If you can't get hold of this bread, you can use small burger buns. Cut those burger buns into round slices and use it. You can even use normal bread. Let's finely chop few of the garlic pods and smash a few of them using your knife. You can now chop those green chilies. Let's chop those onions and the coriander leaves. Do finely chop them. Let's start making the garlic butter. For that, I have added the butter in the saucepan. Melt it over medium heat. Once the butter started melting, add in the garlic, both chopped and crushed. Let the garlic cook in the butter for about 2 minutes. Once the garlic starts floating in the butter, you can add in the coriander leaves or chopped parsley. Stir it for a minute and remove it from the heat. Now let's start making those garlic bread. I am brushing the garlic butter over the bread pieces. Don't brush too much butter. It will make the bread soggy. Just brush enough to bring in the flavor. Just flip the breads now. Brush the garlic butter on the other side of the bread as well. Now let's add in the chopped onions. Top it with those finely chopped green chilies. Meanwhile, let's preheat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius. I am transferring these into a baking tray. For that extra flavor, I am adding a few slices of olives. In a couple of breads, instead of olives, I am adding in jalapenos. This is because I like spicy food. If you don't like it, don't use. I am grating the mozzarella using a tower grater. If you have a cheese grater, you can directly grate over the bread. Add in the grated cheese. Now let's season it with some oregano and chili flakes. Keep it in the middle rack of an oven and bake it for about 6 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts and the breads turn crispy. The one we kept in the oven is ready. Let's go ahead and plate it. Look at this beauty. It's super crunchy and tastes exactly like Pizza Hut style garlic bread. Now let's go ahead and cook a few over the stove top. I have taken here a non-stick pan. Keep it in lowest flame as possible. Keep the bread into the pan. Cover it and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep it in low flame and make sure the bread doesn't get burnt. Let the cheese get melted. Open in between and keep checking. Pizza Hut style garlic bread is ready. Let's plate it. This is going to be very crispy and flavorful. The cheese has melted over the top. The onions, the chilies, the seasoning all gives an unique flavor to this dish. The one from the oven and one from the stove top both look gorgeous. Do try this out and let me know how it came out for you. If you enjoyed watching the video, you know what to do. Do like, share and subscribe. Signing off for now. See you next week again with an amazing recipe. Bye bye.